Hey Threadymade makers, Rob Younkers here, and happy summer. I have a really fun, easy project for you guys to do with the denim Frankie top. So your first step is head to our website, grab the Frankie top. So what we're doing is bleach dyeing. It's a lot like tie-dye, but we do it with bleach. So instead of adding color, it removes color. I bet you have everything you need in your house otherwise to do this project. So grab either the Frankie Top Kit or you can grab the Dakota dress. And you can use any kind of spray cleaner with bleach, or you can grab some bleach from the laundry area, throw it in a spray bottle with a splash of water, some rubber bands, and some gloves to protect your hands. So with all these things, we're gonna take it to the bathroom and I'm gonna show you guys how to do this awesome project. So I'm sure you guys have tie-dyed before. This is the same concept, but we're doing it with bleach. So you're just gonna use rubber bands. We've got this top. It's gonna be adorable. So go ahead and just start bunching up little random areas of fabric and tying them off with these rubber bands. So I'm trying to tie these pretty tight because the tighter they are, the less chances that the bleach will get into that area. And that's what creates sort of the tie-dye or the bleached out rings. So just go ahead and do this across the whole top. I'm even gonna do the straps. So I've rinsed this out pretty well at this point, so now I'm gonna take the rubber bands off. And you can see, I was explaining earlier that the tighter you make them, the better the areas are gonna hold the original color. This is my favorite part, the big reveal. So once you've rinsed your top out in your tub or your shower or outside or wherever, you have a great space to work. Oh, by the way, if you're gonna do this inside, open some windows. It's a pretty strong smell. So once it's all rinsed out by hand, you can go ahead and throw it in the wash machine on a gentle cycle, cold water, fast, kind of quick setting, and then your top is gonna be finished. So we washed the top, I threw on my mannequin, final touches, just putting the bows on the shoulders. Isn't this the coolest summer top? And the best part is, not only did you make the top, but you bleach dyed it, so you have a great conversation piece. Happy sewing.